This clip takes you through all the steps you'll need when acting as a simulated patient in a remote OSCE exam. You'll need to click the link you've been given to browse to the exam. The blue banner at the top of the sign-in screen has a settings button on the right-hand side where you can customise the size and theme of your screen. You'll also see the webcam and mic settings here once the exam has started. You'll sign in with the details you've been given, the username and the password, and then click the sign in button. On the exam screen at the right of the blue banner, you'll now see your name, and this is where you'll sign out when you've finished. Settings is available throughout. The exams events that you're attached to are listed on this screen. You may be attached to one or more events. Here there are 2 events. There's a code and an event name, which is a link. If you click it, you can see the exam details and go back to your exams like this. Next to the event name, there's a date and the button to enter the exam. During the exam, the blue banner at the top shows a timer on the left-hand side, and this counts down through each stage of the exam. On the right-hand side, you see the exam details and your name and the settings button. On the left-hand side, you'll see your station instructions. The webcam panel is on the right and your webcam is displayed at the bottom. There's a resizing bar in the middle if you want to adjust the spacing for each panel. In the bottom banner, there's a button to turn the mic off and on, and a button to turn the webcam off and on. You can get help from the exams administrator by clicking this button. You can type a message to the administrator in here, and it will show at the top, and any responses you get will show here as well. When the exam's over, you'll leave using this button. When the examiner joins, the webcam will appear at the top like this, and you can now communicate with each other. If an observer joins the station, an eye will appear at the bottom like this. Once the station starts, the candidate may have reading time. Once the reading time is over, the candidate webcam will also join, and the webcams on the right-hand side will reposition so that you can clearly see everyone. Exam users can interact with images during the station. The candidate has shared an image with you by placing their C marker on it. You can reposition the image like this and resize it like this. During the discussion, you can place your SP marker just by clicking like this. Exam users can place multiple markers on the image. When you've finished using the image, you can close it like this. The station continues until the end. Once this candidate has finished at the station, their webcam disappears. You'll remain in the station with the examiner until the next candidate joins, when the webcams will reposition again and the cycle continues. Once all the candidate interviews have finished, this exam event is over. You leave this event. You may have other events to attend. When you've finished with all events, you leave and then sign out of delivery. If you haven't yet completed your computer check, you can see how to do it by watching this clip.